Hi, we are here today at Serangoon Gardens Golden Hill Estate to check out this freehold semi-detached house. My name is Bala from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Let's check this out. Sitting on a land size of 3,821 square feet with a generous built-up area of approximately 7,000 square feet, this well-designed house was renovated with an additional third level added on just 10 years ago. The porch area, which can park 2 cars, comes with an alfresco dining area that can accommodate up to 12-seater overlooking a beautiful garden. The staircase is tucked to one side of the house, which gives the living hall a huge and wide space. The dining hall is elevated on a higher level together with a dry kitchen and a big entertainment room. Now, this room can easily be converted into a granny's room if the need arises. Together with the library cum family area, there are a total of 2 big ensuite rooms and a super huge master bedroom with balcony on this level. The master bedroom's generous layout can fit in 3 king-size beds, an office setup, and a long walk-in wardrobe linked to the master bath with his and hers shower and wash area. An enormous studio room is built with a small kitchenette, 2 baths, and a balcony. This room can even be rented out as a studio unit on its own to earn some passive income, or it can be used as a home office, entertainment room, or further split up into 2 ensuite rooms, making it a total of 6 rooms in the entire house. From 9 minutes walk to Lorong Chuan MRT and within 15 minutes walk to the famous Chom Chom Food Centre, My Village Mall, Serangoon Garden Market, banks and other amenities, residents staying here are spoiled for choices. Besides being within 1 km to popular schools like CHIJ and St. Gabriel's Primary, it's also surrounded by international schools like the Australian, French and Stanford American. This gives the owner an opportunity to rent out to expat families as well. Before I sign off, did you know that from 2019 to 2023, out of a total of 354 units in Golden Hill Estate, only 5 transactions has taken place? This only means that in this area, units hardly come up for sale. So don't waste your chance to own a house in this exclusive estate. Quickly, call me now at 91097931. I'm Bala from OrangeTee and Thai AEG Division. See you soon.